Hi guys, magandang araw. Samahan niyo ako ngayon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Sentosa Island. Yan guys, ang ganda ng view. Naway mag-enjoy po kayo sa inyong panonood sa araw na ito guys. Let's go guys. Ayan, ang ganda. Enjoy watching guys.
Palawan Beach offers family-friendly fun for the young and young at heart for fun in the sun. Spots some of our neighboring Indonesian islands in the distance.
Grabe, nakakalula tumingin sa baba. Super ganda talaga, ang galing nila, ano? Kaya manood lang kayo guys. Enjoy, enjoy. Grabe, sa mga gustong mag holiday dito sa Singapore, dito po yung napakagandang tourist spot dito sa Sentosa. Sumakay kayo ng cable car. Ganda siya, oh, overlooking.
Can you spot another cable car line from here? That's our sister line, the Sentosa Cable Car Southern Beach Route. Connection to the Sentosa Cable Car line is a quick 5-minute walk away from Sentosa Station. The ride will give you great views of Sentosa's southern beaches, as well as exhilarating adventure activities such as the zip line and bungee jump. Amongst the many fun activities that await along the beach route, one attraction not to be missed is Waves of Tide, an exciting multi-sensory light show set at the open sea, featuring fireworks, dancing water jets, and state-of-the-art laser effects. This dazzling display runs every night at 7:30 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. Conveniently located right next to it is Good Old Days Restaurant, offering traditional local dishes from Singapore's diverse cultures. Grab a quick bite or tuck into the delicious Asian dinner buffet if you're hungry after a long day. We are now reaching Sentosa Station at Top Area Boca. At the first stop of your Sentosa holiday, be sure to check out all the activity guides and Sentosa Island bus tour packages available here to make your stay can also be purchased at the Sentosa Station ticketing counter.
Malapit na tayong bababa guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa inyong panonood. Naway nag-enjoy po kayo sa aking maikling videos araw na ito. Thank you so much sa mga walang sawang sumusuporta sa aking YouTube channel. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe, Nancy Velasco Vlog. Thank you so much. God bless and bye-bye.